This space is a disaster, and look at those boards. They're warping. They're gonna fail any second. So let's rebuild it to hide it like this. Stop horsing around and get to work. I gotta move all this stuff out of the way so we can rebuild these shelves so they're structurally sound. And then we're gonna hide it. Out of sight, out of mind. It's always kind of fun to take somebody else's build apart to try to figure out what were they doing. This build for me could be similar to what they were doing. I'm simply using the bottom of the pile scrap wood. I don't need it to look perfect. This is just what we had left over from other jobs. Getting rid of that middle vertical support really made my day. I know it may not seem like a lot, but getting rid of that centerpiece sure opens it up in the middle, and it's a lot easier to use those shelves. And now I was able to reuse these wood pieces. All I did was flip them over and screw them down, and now they're not bowed anymore. Wait a minute, what's he doing now? This top piece that I just installed is gonna hold our bracket. This kit that I'm installing is exactly the same thing as a closet door with the sliding doors on. Okay. This 3/4 thick wood is heavy. I know the mess is still behind here, but having it contained, out of sight, out of mind type deal sure feels really nice. We even still have room up there. And having them on the bifold track, it sure is nice, isn't it? You could just do whatever you need, however you need it. It's good to go. And not to mention, I can use my garbage now. I can open and close it, get a big box in there if I need. It's perfect. What do you think?